What if the whole world originated from water? This intriguing thought brings us to the doorstep of one of the most influential pre-Socratic philosophers, Thales of Miletus. Born in the 6th century BCE, his exact birth and death dates remain shrouded in mystery. Yet, his intellectual legacy continues to ripple through time, making its mark on philosophy, mathematics, and astronomy. Thales was one of the 7 sages of Greece, a title bestowed upon him for his wisdom. Yet, it remains uncertain whether he ever penned down his ideas. His name, however, is etched in the annals of history as a pioneering figure in various fields. In astronomy, Thales predicted a solar eclipse, a feat he accomplished in 585 BCE. This prediction stands as a symbol of the dawn of scientific thought, replacing mythology with systematic observation and reasoning. In mathematics, Thales' theorem is a fundamental principle that still holds a vital place in geometry. It states that any diameter of a circle subtends a right angle to any point on the circle, a discovery that laid the groundwork for many mathematical theories that followed. However, it's Thales' philosophical contributions that often steal the limelight. When asked, "What is the origin?" Thales responded, "Water." While this may seem overly simplistic to our modern minds, it was a radical thought in Thales' time. Several theories attempt to elucidate Thales' choice of water as the primal element. One suggests that the idea wasn't entirely original, as Homer's verse also speaks of the Oceanus, the divine personification of the sea, covering everything. The difference lies in Thales' removal of divine intervention, replacing it with naturalistic explanation. Another theory posits that Thales, living on an island, observed the earth floating on water, leading him to believe that water is the underlying basis of everything. Yet another theory, from the 20th century, suggests Thales saw water as ubiquitous and existing in all states of matter, making it a likely candidate for the origin of all things. Aristotle, in his critique of Thales, points out a flaw in his philosophy. Thales fails to explain how the world developed from this primal water, lacking a distinction between cause and effect. An intriguing explanation for this might be that Thales saw no need to explain how the world evolved from water, because unlike the static Earth, water is always in motion and teems with life. In conclusion, Thales of Miletus, despite the ambiguities surrounding his life and works, is an undeniable pillar in the edifice of knowledge. His contributions to astronomy, mathematics, and philosophy marked a shift from mythological explanations to scientific reasoning, thus paving the way for future thinkers. His concept of water as the origin might seem simplistic today, but it was a revolutionary step towards a more naturalistic worldview, forever changing the course of human thought.